really troubleshooting with the chamfer foils that is not going to chamfer the image for you, this is going to be your bestie, and it will always back you up every single time, unless your lamp is not keying, or unless you make it happen like me, that is put the foil upside down. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply, and this nails, I'm gonna do the nails, it's just like half of the nails because I want to create this like a French look. Okay, you don't have to get this really crazy perfect because we are going to do some gel painting on. Cure this one for 30 seconds. Make sure you are applying them all, because if not, they are not going to cure. And on this nails, I'm go ahead and using it on all entire nails, like with the premium iHo chamfer foil, applies it on. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. No, 30 seconds. I'm sorry, I was like 60 seconds. So I did. Let's recap for all of you just tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorials. I did 2 nails first with the key lamp, which is the newest spring and summer collection from a gel polish, and then we applied 2 coat of the each colors, and each layer will cure for 60 seconds. And I did apply the matte top coat first because I want to create the effects of the French look. So I did, the reason is I didn't want to have a tacky layer of the gel polish here, because later I'm chamfer the foil on. I want to make sure that they are not going to stick into the nails. So on this beautiful cute, so I got it from my box, you can definitely, I really like this one. Also, I also like this one. So let me put it randomly and see how it's going to turn out. I kind of like the eggs as well. Can't see it, but I'm going to place it here and see what is going. And then you can do it. You can place this however you want. If you want this image here with the bunny, you can definitely do that too. It just depends on your preference. Give it a good rub. Okay. Oh, it's perfect. It looks so cute. And look at how well it chamfers. It's completely chamfer. And then, seeing you are going to... Now, if you don't want anything else, you can put the top coat on, cure for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. But if you are going to do some crystal, then we are going to place some crystal on. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. This one is the pattern is really nice though. I kind of like that. I also like that too. So like that too. I'm gonna using this part right here. We're gonna do a crystal placement on it, so it's going to be really cute, super cute, simple and easy design. Beautiful. Look at that, how it chamfered completely too. And I'm gonna show the camera really quick both of the design. It's already done. If you don't want anything else, you can definitely top coat, matte top coat, shiny top coat, and then you're good to go.